Today I'm going to show you how to show comments in Edge quickly and easily. If you've been missing comment sections on your feed or article pages, this simple setting change can bring them back in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the home page. On the home page, look for the page settings icon, which looks like a little gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the page settings menu. This is where Edge keeps a lot of the layout and content options for your home page and newsfeed. Once the page settings panel opens, look for the content settings section. Under that area, you should see an option called Manage. Click on the Manage to open the detailed content settings. Inside the content settings, look for the toggle labeled Show Comments in My Feed and Article Pages. If this option is turned off, comments may not appear the way you want them to. To show comments, toggle that setting off or on, depending on the current state of your browser and what you're trying to enable. In this case, make sure the comment setting is set correctly so comments will display in your feed and article pages. After that, close the settings panel and refresh the page if needed. Now, you should be able to view comments in Microsoft Edge again. That's all there is to it. Just a quick settings change and you're done. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful Edge tips, browser fixes, and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.